It's January. Unbox natin yung Dear Diet. Actually, we've been on Dear Diet for a few weeks now since the new year, kasi nagkakat si Romeo and ako. Honestly, medyo tamad lang ako. Tinatamad akong mag-isip ng pagkain. So, I just ordered the meals with him. So, let's go. Please don't mind the messy scene. Now, this is mine. I got the 2 meals a day, 1,200 calories. It comes in this cute little bag every day. Pag merong malamig na thing na kailangan, siya, nasa parang cold bag. So, ito na yung ating meals for today. So, we have an orange, and then we have a Choco Mallows copycat. So, okay, Choco Mallow siya, tapos 150 calories lang siya. Tapos nandito na yung macros niya. I honestly like all of their snacks. Most of their snacks, actually, not all. Ito yung coffee, which is a pour over, which we really enjoy. It's brewed coffee, but not a lot of effort. And then for the dinner, it's char siu chicken rice. So you can see here your chicken, and then may gulay, and then may rice. The total for this is 542 calories, which is not bad considering white rice, and it looks like the sauce is pretty good. And then last but not least, yung lunch niya is a chicken tortilla with 542 calories. What I like about your diet is yung niya, nakalagay na dito yung macros niya. So if you're trying to hit your macros like Romeo, naka high protein diet siya, then perfect siya. So yun, that's it for this mini update. Wala man masyadong update except for I'm so tired, but also very happy.